In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 6, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this little icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner of chat window. Finally, you can tap on your photos right away or select Gallery section, tap on them over here and clicking on Add at the top right corner. You can also tap on Gallery, select Folders, hold one of your photos and hit Select at the top right corner to add it. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures were successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!